For this example, we'll be using a standard zigzag stitch at 0.3 for stitch length and 2.5 for stitch width. This example shows you length from 0 to 1. Next, we'll measure out our button. Depending on the height of the button, you'll add 1/8 to your measurement per every 1/8 of your button height. This will allow for a proper opening. Make your marks and either freehand or measure out your guide. Align your fabric with the needle positioned to the left, as we'll be sewing to the right. Lower your needle and your foot. Normally, we'd lower our foot first, then our needle, but for this example, I wanted to show you where I'm positioned. Sew at a comfortable speed to stay as straight as possible. Once at the bottom, make sure to have your needle all the way to your right as you'll be sewing to the left. Raise your foot, rotate your fabric counterclockwise, lower your foot, and sew 10 stitches to construct your bottom bar tack. Adjust your needle to the right as you'll be sewing to the left. Rotate your fabric counterclockwise, lower your foot, and sew the other side. Raise your foot, rotate your fabric counterclockwise, and construct your top bar tack, again with 10 stitches. Raise your foot and needle, and next clean up any loose thread. Next, we'll be using pins at the start of our bar tacks to avoid cutting into them with the stitch ripper. Bring the stitch ripper to the edge of the pin and rip. Remove the pins and remove any excess frays. Optionally, you can use fray check along the hole to help prevent any future fraying. The button should easily pass through the opening.